right now, knowing that he's got the opportunity to do that on the outside of Bradyville. But 35 laps, a lot of quick trucks all the way throughout this field, including our quick qualifier Grant Griesbach starting in 11. As they come out of 4, green flag is out. 35 laps coming up for the Phoenix and the right comes the right. Rolling up that hill. Now he's going to take the watch off in turn 2. He's in the head-to-head by just about half a truck length. As we go 3 wide back behind Danielle Bain, she's going to have to back out. That'll allow Scott Krzyzewski to cruise around into the 4th spot. Lap 1, Brett Strelka. But it was probably a good thing because Tristan Swanson was ready to make this move on the outside. Swanson already 3 wins on the season in that 23, currently leading the points, and he has slid into the 2nd spot as he gets around Bradyville. To the inside, Eugene Gregorich the 3rd wants the spot from Krzyzewski as Swanson looks inside of the lead on Strelka. Strelka's the led line on Swanson, working up the 3rd inside line here. As the run of the race goes on, he's going to take the lead away, and he might bring Bradyville along for the ride too. Meanwhile, Nick Van's on the move as well, the 24. He's going to go past Krzyzewski. He'll take 6th away. Continues her march up front as well. She's in 4th, looks inside Bradyville. He's able to shut the door, going into 3 and 4. So Bain will have to reset. Cross the line, lap 6. Swanson trots for destruction. Side with Bradyville. He won't be able to shut the door this time. We'll get a 3 and 4. They are toe-to-toe. Coming out of the turn, walking down on the front stretch, and it will be Bill by nose. So Daniel Bain has it inside. Still side by side. Meanwhile, Nick Bain is still on the cruise of the 24. He is closing in on the back end of the 1 truck. Trying to get into the top 5. Big slipper there by Bain as she comes up the turn, but Milled in too. So they'll remain even, and now Bain actually head to head. She will take third when they got a 2. Here comes Gregorich. Here comes Bain as well. Inside line open, no backtracking into the 70. Gregorich now up to 4th. They're side by side for 5th. Bobby Ruck's in the back down a little bit as he got back to the front from Krzyzewski behind them. They remain side by side for the 5th spot. And it looks like Nick Van will take that away. And again, a little bit of contact between those two. And looks like he's got that truck to the walking into the turn, but he is quick. As he's able to do that, Bradyville goes right back on the outside. Meanwhile, Robbie Rucks ducking down to the inside of Krzyzewski. That'll be for the 7th spot for Robbie Rucks. And the inside line stays open. Here's just the thing. This time it's going to be a Nelson Braun 23 remain for the 23. Tristan Swanson, Jason win number 4 of the campaign. Tristan Swanson shot at 8 even 4 points. 24 races remaining in the 2026 season after today. Swanson already with the lead coming in. I don't think the idea is Young racer Austin Warner behind the wheel of the 22 truck. Looked like a solo. Potentially, we'll have to see if we can find it on the replay. Technically starting in the 5th spot. Two-time defending champion working his way to the front. Now going to have an opportunity here. 6 laps, and we'll see how it shakes out as they slowly roll into 3 and 4. Remember, Swanson's the control truck, so he gets to go first. And they fire. Coming out of 4. 6 to go. Back to green. Swanson absolutely won it. He got out front clear, but here comes Gregorich. Tucked it back in line, and Allen trying to track down Swanson. They are clear of the 24, Van sitting in 3rd. Gregorich getting ready to go as there's a little bit of scramble back behind. Gregorich capitalized. Right with it, striking distance as they roll down the backstretch. He's going to back up the turn and try to make the run here. Right back to the front for the 23 truck. Thought about it, didn't work. threatening to take this one away from Tristan Swanson. Can he get to the inside? Swanson says no. Look to the inside line. Swanson in the launch up in two. He's going to try to seal off the bottom once again, but Gregorich is right there. Going to get a little tap to him up for that time as they roll to the turn. Here comes Gregorich to the inside looking for a lead. Oh, he got big trouble. Danielle Payne is off the pace. Yellow flag coming down for Danielle Payne. With 32 down and 3 remaining here in the Dixieland Delight 35 presented by Zentner's Auto. Go buy your Coopers, go buy your Goodyears at Zentner's Auto. All right. I don't think we're going to take this one. I got a feeling this one's going to get waved off. As they roll into 3 and 4 again. This looking better. Much better. How about a little contact as we come back to green? Escapes on the outside. Excellent restart for the 23 once again. And now Gregorich will have to try to pull the chain one more time, and he's not going to have a lot of time. It's 2 to go as we're side by side as well. Here for third. Around the outside. They will take third, right in the middle on 4th, and he'll have 3 spot right in his back pocket as they're racing at 3 and 4. They're coming back to the line. Gregorich catching up once again. The white flag is flying. Tristan Swanson one away from the victory. Can Gregorich do something about it? He's going to need a Hail Mary here in 3 and 4 as they close in. Swanson holding on by about a half a truck length. Going to roll down the front stretch.